Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract detailed information from an IP address using a powerful online OSINT tool. Cybersecurity professionals, private investigators, and threat analysts use tools like this every single day to trace scammers, investigate cybercriminals, and analyze suspicious online activities. Tools like this are completely legal when used for the right purpose, and they can reveal important information such as the country, the city, the postal code, the internet service provider, the time zone, and in some cases, whether the IP is coming from a VPN, proxy, or hosting provider. If you're a cybersecurity professional, a digital investigator, or someone learning ethical hacking, understanding how to pull basic OSINT information from an IP address is one of the most important skills you will ever need. And before we go too deep, let me add a few more important points. These tools also help in fraud detection, investigating suspicious login attempts, tracking brute force attacks, analyzing server logs, and protecting your online identity by understanding how IP information works. Before we continue, here's a quick but very important disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. Everything you see here is meant to help you understand cybersecurity, online safety, and digital investigation techniques. This video does not support any illegal activity such as illegal tracking, stalking, spying, harassment, or targeting innocent people. Misusing OSINT tools to invade someone's privacy or track people without consent is a serious criminal offense and can lead to arrest, prosecution, and penalties under cybercrime laws. Always use your skills responsibly, stay on the right side of the law, and remember, real cybersecurity experts protect people, not harm them. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and search for IP location. Scroll down and click on the link that says iplocation.io. Once the website loads, click Accept to continue. Now scroll down to the search section. Enter the IP address you want to analyze. Then click the IP lookup button on the left side to begin processing the information. The tool will start loading, and after a few seconds, it will reveal the exact information linked to the IP address you entered earlier. And here it is. You can clearly see important details such as the country, the state or region, the city, the country ISO code, the postal code, and the internet service provider, ISP. For many investigators, this information alone is enough to begin tracking, profiling, and shutting down a scammer or cybercriminal's online footprint. It gives you a digital starting point to understand where the traffic is coming from and whether the IP is suspicious, legitimate, or associated with a VPN or hosting server. You can also use this information to analyze attacks, check suspicious emails, validate unknown devices, or support cyber fraud investigations. In short, this tool is extremely helpful when used properly and ethically. Before we end this video, here is the final and most important disclaimer. This content is for ethical cybersecurity learning only. OSINT tools are powerful, and when used the wrong way, they can cause harm. Never attempt to track, expose, or investigate anyone without proper authorization. Accessing or analyzing someone's IP information for malicious purposes is illegal and can lead to serious legal consequences. Always use these skills to protect systems, strengthen security, investigate fraud legally, and build your career in cybersecurity. Your goal should be to help, not harm. If you learned something new from this video, kindly drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any cybersecurity and ethical hacking videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.